So hi guys, welcome again to my channel. We are at Ayala, Makati right now for a Sunday job. So the highway is closed from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the morning. So guys, nandito tayo sa Makati. Every Sunday dito mayroong jogging. So what's good is they prioritize jogging here in Makati. Lahat ng area or lahat ng halos roads dito, especially in Ayala, is closed. So sa mga joggers dyan, kung gusto nyo, this is the perfect spot. You can jog really without worrying about cars. Surrounded by skyscrapers and trees. So after nyong mag-jog, pwede kayong mag-cool down at Ayala Triangle Gardens, isa sa pinakasikat na green park sa Metro Manila. Tahimik, malinis, and you'll see other people doing yoga, stretching, or just enjoying their coffee. So ito yung garden guys, Ayala Triangle Garden. So this is a good for jogger. So syempre, pag mag-jogging kami sa nagugutom ka, so this place is complete without, it's not complete without reward food. Around Ayala, may mga pop-up food stalls, cafes, and even weekend markets. May mga prutas din dito, pandesal, taho, and healthy rice bowl for your post-run recovery. So ang daming mga coffee shop dito guys, kung hindi dyan. So ang daming store na nagtitinda ng mga coffee. Kung gusto mo ng mga chill breakfast din, may mga coffee na open, early like Mary Grace, Wildflower, and mga Starbucks. So,
may glorieta pa rito pag
but beyond the food and fitness, ang pinamaganda rito is the sense of community. So you'll see a lot of strangers smiling at each other. So may mga family bonding din makikita dito. Ang daming tao dito kasi close yung lugar from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. So pumunta lang kayo sa Ayala, Makati. So if you're planning for a Sunday jog, it's a very beautiful place to visit here at Ayala, Makati. So marami ng artists dito. So because in Makati, health needs city life. Jog ka na, pwede ka pang kumain, tapos selfie ka pa sa mga garden. So the sunrise also during this time is good. So ang daming coffee dito, may McDo din dyan kung pipika. So one of the best area ng Makati.